Hey everybody, just wanted to show you a little thing that might help you on the test. I'm at the Canvas page here for the class. Okay, so welcome to Psych 101. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to Dr. Cooper's material. So here's my material, and we're going to scroll down to the lectures, and we'll skip the pre-lecture, but lecture 1 here. So let's say, rather than just playing it like this, let's say I click on the link. When I click on the link, that takes me to the place
Hello,
on,
everybody.
oh, shut up, the place on YouTube where I've got the lectures. And what I wanted to show you was, you may want to use this when you're doing the test, is I've got timestamps for everything that's on that lecture outline is on here. So I got timestamps where you can go directly to a particular topic. So if like the question on the test is about behaviorism, you can go directly there
Thanks. Let's talk about the next school of psych.
and go directly to the part about behaviorism. So that's going to be true with all the lectures in the class. I've got timestamps for the lectures that you can use on the test. All you have to do is, I'll show you again, I'll show you with lecture 2. You go to the lecture, click on the link, that'll go to
Hello.
YouTube, and then boom, it goes, and it has all the things that are on the outline right there. So you can go right to whatever you want. Okay, hope that'll help you out.